Extra virgin olive oil is one of the best cooking oils that you should use for your health, as it has a higher concentration of minerals and vitamins that are naturally found in olives. It does not go through processing and does not contain any additives. The extra virgin olive oil is much better compared to regular olive oil, as it contains B vitamins and it is absolutely pure. Here are some of its benefits. 1. Aids weight loss. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the best olive oils that can help you lose the stubborn fat. Extra virgin olive oil has a satiating power that comes from the fatty acids present in the oil that can make you lose weight. 2. Prevents diabetes. The extra virgin olive oil regulates and balances the insulin levels without causing a spike in your blood sugar levels. Diabetes patients can consume extra virgin olive oil as it contains monosaturated fats. 3. Promotes brain health. Extra virgin olive oil contains small amounts of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. It also decreases the risk of Alzheimer's disease and protects the brain tissue against toxic substances. 4. Rich in antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenols that reduce the oxidative stress on the body. Extra virgin olive oil also strengthens the immune system, making your body resistant to inflammations and infections. 5. Good for your heart. Extra virgin olive oil contains monosaturated fats, and when consumed in small amounts, it will reduce the risk of heart diseases. It has anti-inflammatory properties that decrease the bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol in the body. 6. Healthy fats. Extra virgin olive oil has a high concentration of monosaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats, which are good fats that are required by the body. Other oils contain saturated fats that are very unhealthy for you. 7. Relieves pain. Extra virgin olive oil contains anti-inflammatory agents that can help reduce inflammation in the body caused by pain. Inflammation can cause various chronic diseases, and consuming extra virgin olive oil can help reduce pain in the body. 8. Good for sex life. If you are having problems in your sex life, extra virgin olive oil can come to the rescue. This oil can improve sex life by improving blood circulation in various parts of the body, including the erogenous zones. 9. Helps during pregnancy. Extra virgin olive oil has the power to promote good health for pregnant mothers. Pregnant women who consume extra virgin olive oil will largely improve their child's psychomotor reflexes and physical development. 10. Prevents skin cancer. Malignant melanoma is a form of skin cancer that happens when the pigment-producing cells that give color to the skin become cancerous, and it can occur anywhere in the body. So, choose the best quality extra virgin olive oil for providing you with loads of nutrition and benefits. Well, that's about it for now. This is me, Ashish David, signing off. I'll see you in the next video.